bluefish. Give or take, can't even. I don't know how big this one is, but this one is a good size. Good size right here. Give or take, almost like 20 something. Yeah, like 20 something, 22 inches, 23 inches, give or take. Nah, I think this one is like almost 30. Yeah, like almost 30 inches. Good, she got good weight to it too. I ain't gonna bring my things to, yeah, I ain't gonna bring my measuring tape. Usually do. Usually have my measuring tape with that too. Yeah, big boy right here. Big bluefish right here. Yeah. See them teeth, boy? Yeah. Caught him off of this right here. Pencil popper. Or needle. Pencil popper? No. Pencil popper? No. Needle. It's a needle right here. This is what I caught him off of. Yeah, just let it dance, let it walk in that water. Oh yeah, it's gonna definitely catch the attention. He's alive too. He's just catching his breath right now. He just twitched. But this one gotta go bye-bye though. This one coming home with me. Last pick with him. Yeah, see what I'm saying? Yeah, there you go. Yeah, he's definitely coming home with me. Big boy right here.